Did you know that in Australia, you don't always need to visit a clinic in person to get your prescription? With telehealth services like Prime Medic, you can talk to a registered doctor online and get your prescription issued conveniently and securely, without the wait times or long travel. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how the process works, step by step. First, you visit the Prime Medic website and choose the type of consultation you need, whether it's for a repeat prescription, a new condition, or a general health check. You pick your time, enter your details, and confirm your booking. It takes just a few minutes. At your appointment time, you'll join a secure video consultation with an Australian registered doctor. You can discuss your symptoms, medical history, and needs, just like an in-person appointment. The doctor will assess your situation and, if appropriate, issue a prescription. Once your consultation is complete, your prescription will be sent electronically. That means you can collect it from your local pharmacy right away, or in some cases, have the medication delivered to your door. It's safe, efficient, and fully compliant with Australian regulations. This process is especially helpful for patients in rural or remote areas, those with mobility challenges, or anyone managing a chronic condition who needs repeat scripts without unnecessary delays. Prime Medic makes healthcare more accessible for Australians, saving you time and effort while ensuring you get the care you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthcare insights.